This is the CVS Health Ultrasonic Mini Humidifier that runs for 10 hours. It has all these features. We bought it because it's space saving. It's intended for a bedroom. It has no filter and it looks like this. From the box, you have the humidifier and the power cord that comes in its own box. So it's really small and compact. You can see the size in comparison with the items around it. Opening it up, it doesn't hold a lot of water, which just makes it the operation for 10 hours. So there was a sort of like a carton in between here. I just pulled it out. So before we put any water in, it's recommended to attach the cord. Oh. So there we go. On the bottom there's the power cord that it goes in. Now we're ready to pour in water. It says here they recommend using distilled water, and this will take up to approximately 1 liter of water. Right now I don't have any distilled water, so instead of tap water, I don't know, I'll just use just purified water, I guess, and we pour it here. So yeah, it can hold like a liter. That was only 500 mLs. It certainly can hold in more. Alright, it's already plugged it in. You can see at low, I'm guessing that's low, and then medium, and then high. There, you notice the difference. I don't know what A stands for. And then you can set a type. Alright, one more click or one more touch and it turns off. Nothing's coming out. There's 1 hour, 2 hour, and 4 hour timer, but I don't know if it'll keep staying on for 10 hours, because at night, you know, if I just set it up to 4 hours, I don't want to wake up in the middle of the night having to turn it back on. So that I'm not sure. They also recommend not to put water or drain water from the air spout, so just take it out like that. So yeah, it's a little compact. It's very cheap right now. I got it with coupons. I think it's $19, and I just paid like $13 for it. And this one is new, so there's no reviews just yet. So I'm hoping this will, you know, help other people. Yeah.